All right, welcome to this 2 a.m. storm update. And this is going to be the last one because I got to get some sleep. But you see that heavy rain that is over the Jersey Shore north of Tom's River that is all going to be moving toward us. Looking at the other radar here, let's get to the other radar. Yeah, not this radar doesn't show it quite as well, but you can see the yellows over us. Let's move this down here a little more. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about right here. So here we go. Look at that. There's an area of red, actually. Looks like just north of Tom's River right there. So that is, yeah, that's some really heavy rain there. Let's see if there's any lightning with this. Not seeing any lightning strikes, but again, it would not surprise me if we see a thunderstorm tonight. Let's go to the weather and hazards map. I gotta find it. Here we go. So 48 mile an hour wind gust at JFK right now. East 31 gusting to 48. On the Jersey Shore, it looks like it's quieted down a little bit. But the worst of those winds are now moving into our area now. So you're starting to see those gusts. 41 at Farmingdale. 43 mile an hour wind gust at Islip. And this is going to pick up as we go through the evening. But like I said, I'm tired. So let's... Obviously, because I'm tired, I'm not thinking clearly with this, but we're trying to show you what's going on around now. So, Jersey, JCP&L, haven't seen any new outages with that. PSG Long Island, haven't seen any new outages with that. We're at 867 right now. Starting to see a few show up on the South Shore as well. They're fairly spread out with these winds. Again, it would not surprise me to see this number go up with the power outage situation. Weather on the let's look at this. Let's see if we can get some updated information on these seas. We have an 11-foot wave height at Barnegat, New Jersey, now being reported. Going back to our observations, let's go back to that. I gotta find it wherever it is. Where did it go? There it is. So again, we've got that coastal flood warning in effect now. 44 mile an hour wind gust at Islip. And looking at the temperatures, you see we've got low 40s across Long Island, but as you make your way to the south, look at that. Look at how much warmer it is in Ocean County, New Jersey. We've got mid-50s and even near 60 if you go near the southern tip of New Jersey there. So you can see where that warm front is, and you can see the wind direction is also different. So if you look at these observations here, like their dew point is up to 51, so it's definitely humid, and you have that moist, humid air that's, again, being lifted up over this cooler, drier air right now, 43 degrees with a dew point of 39 in Farmingdale. So you can see what's going on with that. So that's why we have this, again, this heavy, heavy rain. And this is, again, another look at it. So this is the heaviest of the rain that's going to be moving in within the next hour or so. And it is going to pour, and there could be some pretty strong winds with that as well. But that's all I got for tonight. And I'll see if we can do a storm summary sometime, maybe tomorrow. So that's it. And again, most people are sleeping, so fortunately people don't have to be out in this. But this could cause some problems, again, with these heavy downpours. Luckily, it is. Let's just go over here and we'll just look at some of these cameras. Yeah, let's do that. And then we'll wrap things up, I guess, show you the way the winds are out there. Let's see. So you can see that wind-blown rain there falling right there. You can see that wind-driven rain. Again, you got some pretty strong winds out there. Let's see, maybe we can get one from here. Maybe here. Hold on. Yeah, here's a good one. Oh, something happened here. It looks like there was an accident. Oh, yeah, well, that just happened. So, yeah, they use these cameras. So it looks like there was an accident. Again, it's dangerous out when you have the wet roadways. You can't drive too fast. That's what happens. So it looks like there was an accident. This is on the Wantagh Parkway. That just happened. Here's another look. And you can see this really shows the wind here pretty well. You can see the camera shaking. And, again, that's strong. Look at that. You can even see those metal light poles moving. So that's the kind of wind we're dealing with right now. So it's very windy. We're in the worst of it now. We're going to be in the thick of it from now till around 3, 4 a.m., and maybe a little longer for eastern Suffolk County. You can see some pretty strong winds there that are affecting the area here. And it's amazing that we don't have too many more power outages, but I've found this number will go up. But that's all I got. Good night.